Hello buddies, this is Kaur from Asan English and today we are going to have a conversation with ChatGPT. So let's get started our video without squandering our single minute of time. Squandering means wasting. So without wasting our single minute of time, let's get into our main video or let's dive into our main video. So the first thing about which I am going to have a conversation with ChatGPT, you will get to know while I will be answering the questions. Okay, I will not tell you what is the topic for today. You can get to know by understanding my answers. It will ask questions to me and I will answer. Okay, and it will also correct my mistakes where I will be answering in a wrong way. Okay, and the main thing, if you guys don't know how to use ChatGPT, then I will put screen recording here that how can you use ChatGPT for improving your communication skills, for having conversations with it, and how can you learn vocabulary with the help of it, how can you use vocabulary words, like everything I will put like in this video, like in the call recording. Okay, I will attach call recording in the end of this video. Okay, I will put it. And the main thing is I will have conversations with it. So now let's get started our video. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Can we have a conversation?
Absolutely, we can. Let's dive right in. How are you feeling at the moment?
I'm feeling good. Actually, I'm feeling very excited, but a bit nervous because maybe I think that when I will be answering the questions, I will make mistakes. I know that I will make because I'm not that fluent enough. So I will make mistakes. So about that, I'm a bit nervous, but as well as I'm excited too.
It's completely normal to feel both excited and nervous. And remember, making mistakes is just part of the learning process, so there's no need to worry at all. Let's keep it relaxed and fun.
Okay, now please ask me another questions and I will answer the questions.
Absolutely, let's do it. So to start, why do you want to learn English?
I just want to learn English for myself and also for improving my communication skills in it, as well as it's a third language for me, so I want to make it perfect.
That's a great reason. Just a small correction, instead of saying for improving my communication skills in it, you can say to improve my communication skills. Otherwise, you did great. Let's move on to the next question.
Okay, please ask me next question.
Sure, here's the next one. Do you speak English every day, or is it something you practice occasionally?
Well, these days I'm speaking English every day because I'm trying to improve it. I'm trying to brush up it. So I'm like having conversations, or I will have conversations with you on my daily basis. And before it, I was trying to learn English with myself. I was trying to create environment, and I was also trying to do mirror practice. So this is what I do.
That's fantastic. Just a couple small tweaks. Instead of saying on my daily basis, you can say daily or every day. And instead of I was trying to do mirror practice, you can say I've been doing mirror practice. But overall, you did really well. Let's keep going.
Okay, please ask me next question.
Of course, here's the next question. When you try to speak English, what do you usually find challenging?
Well, the most challenging thing for me when when I'm trying to speak in English, that is sometimes whenever I'm trying to be fluent, so at the time I pronounce some words in a wrong way. Okay, and apart from this, I make some sentences in a wrong way. Like I don't use the perfect grammar rules, so that's a kind of biggest mistake for me these days. But right now, I'm very confident and I'm trying to improve myself as much as I can.
That's a great explanation. Just a couple small adjustments. Instead of saying I pronounce some words in a wrong way, you can say I pronounce some words incorrectly. Also, instead of I make some sentences in a wrong way, you can say I sometimes form sentences incorrectly. But overall, you're doing really well, and it's wonderful to hear that you're feeling confident. Let's keep it up.
Okay, please ask me next question.
Absolutely. Here's the next question. What do you enjoy most about learning English?
Well, the most enjoyable thing for learning English that I am recording myself while I'm practicing or I'm talking to myself. So that is what I'm like, whatever I'm doing to improve my English, I'm recording myself and I'm trying to upload videos on YouTube for telling to others that I am like how I'm practicing. So if I can practice like this, they can too. So this is a kind of most enjoyable thing for me.
That's wonderful. Just a slight refinement. Instead of saying that I'm recording myself while I'm practicing, you could say I record myself while practicing. And instead of telling to others that I'm practicing, you can say sharing my practice with others. But overall, that's a fantastic approach and it's really inspiring. Let's keep going.
Okay, please ask me next question.
Sure, here's the next one. Where do you usually use English in your daily life? For example, at work, with friends, or maybe online?
Well, usually I use my English while recording videos, and as well as whenever I'm trying to I'm trying to improve myself for in English, sorry, for in English. So at that time I use my English. Otherwise, I don't use English with my friends because they don't like to talk in English. So this was the main reason for me why I wasn't able to speak in English before. But right now I'm confident enough. Okay, please ask me last question.
Absolutely. Here's the final question for you. Do you feel more confident about your English skills now compared to when you first started practicing?
Yes, I already told you, I already mentioned that I'm like confident. I'm very confident right now and I'm so excited for having a conversations with you day by day. And I know that I will be improved uh I will be improved in these 30 days. So this is what I'm feeling right now.
That's fantastic to hear. You're definitely on the right track and your confidence is shining through. Keep up the great work and I'm excited to continue this journey with you every day.
Okay, thank you. And please ask to YouTubers that if I can learn English in this way, they can too.
Absolutely. So to all the YouTube viewers out there, if she can boost her English skills by having these fun daily conversations, then you can absolutely do it too. It's all about consistency, practice, and having fun along the way. So jump in, be confident, and let's all learn together.
Okay, guys, that's all for today, and I have done with my conversation. I am feeling so confident right now. I got a lot of confidence by having a conversation with it, and I know that I will be improved one day. Even I am able to have conversations with it, but I'm trying to improve. So, if I'm trying to improve, you should too, and you can also improve your skills, English speaking skills with it, and you do not have to spend a lot of money on any kind of classes. Okay, I'm not saying that you shouldn't join classes. If you're able to join classes, you can. Otherwise, you can learn English at your home by sitting alone. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you have learned something from this video, then please like it and share this video with all of your friends who really want to learn English, who are eager to learn English. And that's all for today. Thank you.
सी गाइस दिस इज़ अ चैट जीपीटी। ये चैट जीपीटी है। अभी मैं इस पर क्लिक कर रही हूँ। देन इस ब्लैक बटन से हम इस पर क्लिक करेंगे और इसको हम could you please give me some vocabulary words for learning?
Absolutely. I can definitely share some interesting vocabulary words. Is there any specific category you're interested in, like business, travel, or maybe just general everyday words? Let me know.
Related to my studies, some simple words for concentrating on my work.
Got it. Here are a few useful words that can help with concentration and productivity. One, diligent, showing careful and persistent effort in your work. Two, focus, the center of interest or activity, the ability to concentrate. Three, efficiency, the ability to accomplish a task with minimal wasted effort or time. Four, perseverance, steadfastness in doing something despite difficulty.
So guys, as you can see, I'm asking to ChatGPT that please give me some vocabulary words related to study, and you can see there are words and their meanings, like the sentences with the use of these words. So this is how you can learn vocabulary words from ChatGPT. And from this microphone you can, like if you cannot type, you just want your answer fastly, so you can just ask from here. ChatGPT, please give me a very simple conversation, because I want to have conversation with you, but I don't know on which topic I should have conversation with you. You have to ask me questions firstly, and I will answer. But firstly, please give me a script related to a very simple topic in a very simple language, because I am a beginner, so I just want to start my English learning journey. सो गाइस, एज यू कैन सी, जो मैंने बोला था वो सब इस यहीं पर टाइप होकर आ गया है, और मेरा आंसर भी नीचे आ गया है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश बाय यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन यूज़ चैट जीपीटी. एंड थैंक यू फॉर टुडे. अगर आपको ऐसा नहीं पता चल रहा कि कैसे चैट जीपीटी यूज़ करना है, तो आप इसको दोबारा रिपीट करके देख सकते हो वीडियो को, एंड आप लर्न कर सकते हो. पहले चैट जीपीटी को ओपन करना है. अगर आपको कुछ रिकॉर्ड करके आंसर चाहिए तो इस बटन से, लाइक प्लीज़ गिव मी अ स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन, यहाँ से बोल के. See, you can see the answer, okay? And from here, have a conversation. Can we have a conversation? Can we have a conversation?
Absolutely. Let's jump right into it. We can follow the simple script if you like, or we can chat about anything you prefer. Just
So guys, that's all for today. Thank you.